but it sounds good. So that was something I had to like unteach myself. But yeah, so I started making beats, and in high school I met A1, and A1 he was actually a break dancer, so he wasn't really into making music at that stage. But he said, okay, you're making these beats, but if I rap on it. And those days, like microphones cost a lot of money. It wasn't like now you can buy like these speakers, that, and a mic for like less than $5 grand. You can get the whole thing. Yeah, so we didn't even have a mic. So what happened was in the school, they had like a PA system. So we used that, and we kind of worked out how to lay down the vocals and things like that. And we made some cool stuff. There was what is this? Like the youth. What's the youth radio station? DYR. Yeah. So DYR wasn't like, I think it got cool like a few years ago, and then, but this was like before that. So it wasn't that cool, but we used to go there, and we had, well, A1 had this guy who was a DJ late at night, and we'd make stuff, and then we just pretty much